Hello everyone, my name is Micro. Welcome to our world. So today, I'm gonna share to you the history of microbiology. Before we start with our journey, let me first define what is microbiology. Microbiology is the study of the biology of microscopic organisms such as viruses, bacteria, algae, fungi, slime, and protozoa. That's it. Now let's go dig deeper for you to understand our kind. Oops, but wait, I'm just a baby micro and I don't know everything about our history. So now let's call our friend to help us understand the history of microbiology.
Hello everyone, I am Genesical T. Villanueva and I hear that you want to know the history of microbiology. So I hope Micro has already defined what microbiology is.
Of course, best friend.
Well, that's good, Micro. But before that, let me show you something.
Uh-oh, those are caused by microbes.
That's true, Micro. Those illnesses or diseases are caused by microbes. However, before, people believe that those things are caused or the result of people's sins. That's a punishment or that's a curse.
Really? But why?
Because before, people do not know about your kind. People do not know about microorganisms. Actually, before people believe that a living things came from a non-living things. That's what we call the spontaneous generations. However, many scholars or many scientists or ancient scientists proved that spontaneous generation is wrong or does not occur. And that's the start of the development of what we call microbiology. So now, let's proceed to the people involved or scientists involved in the development of microbiology. So, let's now call our friend Gisela Jacinto.
Hello everyone, I am Gisela Cinto, and now let's talk about people who involved in the development of microbiology. We have Robert Hooke. Existence of microscopic organism was discovered during the period. His discovery led to the understanding of cells as the smallest unit of life, the foundation of cells theory. And we have Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, 1674-1723. First to observe microbes, he wrote a series of papers describing his observation of bacteria, algae, protozoa, and fungi.
Francisco Redi. He used jar and meat to disprove spontaneous generation on his experiment. He shows that maggots does not occur through spontaneous generation, instead it occurs because of fly.
We have Louis Pasteur. He demonstrated that microorganism causes disease and created vaccine and experiment using plastic with long neck that further disproved the spontaneous generation. Robert Koch.
Founder of modern bacteriology, he is known for his role in identifying the specific causative agent of tuberculosis, cholera, and anthrax and for giving experimental support for the concept of infectious disease.
Hans Christian Gram. He is the inventor of the Gram staining technique.
Paul Ehrlich. Paul Ehrlich's contribution to immunology was the transfer of blood serum with antibodies to treat and counteract diphtheria, which he carried out with Emil von Behring.
Let's have the different theories involved in microbiology. The spontaneous generation, the theory of biogenesis, and the theory of disease. Now let's first discuss the first one, the spontaneous generation. The theory that life came from inanimate objects or non-living things. The theory of spontaneous generation was disproved and microbiology was founded by some amazing scientists. The second one, the theory of abiogenesis. Abiogenesis proposed that the first life forms generated were very simple and through a gradual process become increasingly complex. The last one is the germ theory of disease. Germ theory states that specific microscopic organisms are cause of specific diseases. The theory was developed, proved, and popularized in Europe and North America between about 1850 and 1920.
Here are the special events in microbiology. In 1677, Leeuwenhoek observed little animals. 1796, first scientific smallpox vaccination by Edward Jenner. In 1850, advocated washing hands to stop the spread of disease by Ignace Semmelweis. In 1861, disproved spontaneous generation by Louis Pasteur. In 1862, supported germ theory of disease Louis Pasteur. In 1867, practiced antiseptic surgery by Joseph Lister. 1876, first proof of germ theory of disease with Bacillus anthracis discovery by Robert Koch. 1881, growth of bacteria and solid media by Robert Koch. 1882, outlined Koch postulates by Robert Koch. 1882, developed acid-fast stain by Paul Ehrlich. 1884, developed gram stain by Christian Gram. In 1887, invented Petri dish by R.G. Petri. In 1892, discovered viruses by Dmitry Ivanovsky. 1899, recognized viral dependence on cells for reproduction, Martinus Beijerinck.